Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a 2003 Atrump B8Ac Cnc bed mill. This is our personal machine. We have not used it that much, thus we are getting rid of it. We've owned it for about 3 years. It does have 50 inches of X-axis travel, 22 inches of Y, and 25 inches of Z. Tables are really nice and clean. They have not been hit with any tooling. You do have a 20 position tool changer. Spindle is 10 horsepower, capable of 6,000 RPM. Do have a full set of manuals, the original toolbox, remote, touchpads for tool offset. It's controlled by a Centroid M400 controller. Come through and just jog through real fast. We're going to turn that spindle on. As you can see, we are at 6,000 RPM. We can tone that back. Jog that Y real fast. Finally, the Z. We currently have it on fast jog. Really nice, clean, fully functioning machine. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.